Hello guys, I am Umair Nazim and welcome to the series of C++ in Let's Code. In this video, I will show you how to download a compiler for C++. And if you remember, in the previous video we did the introduction about the C++ language, and I told you what is the benefit of using C++ and in which fields we can use it. But in this tutorial we will see how to download a compiler. But before going to show you, I want to tell you what is a compiler. Well, compiler is a software in which a user can write the programming language and it convert that programming language into the machine language. Like for example, if you write the C++ code on your compiler, that compiler will translate your code into the machine language, and then machine language can understand, because directly machine language cannot understand your syntax. So that's why to write a code in any language you must need a compiler. So now let me show you what is the compiler that we will use in this series for C++. Well, we will use the dev C++ compiler. Okay, so for that one, first you have to open your browser and type dev C++ download. Okay, but you can use any other compiler, like just dev C++ is not necessary. If you want to write a code on another compiler, you can use. There are another compilers like Visual Studio, Eclipse, so that one is also good compilers. But as I said, that we will use dev C++. So when you will search this one on your browser, so in the first option, as you can see, you will click on this option and it will come to this page. Okay, after that, here you have to click on the download button. So when you will click on the download button, so here it is showing a message, your download will start shortly. Okay, so here as you can see, the download is begin. So it will take a little bit time. So here we have downloaded our compiler successfully, and now we will install it. Okay, so for that one I will click here and show in the folder. So here it is the setup of our compiler, and here I will click and run as administrator. Okay, so click on the yes, and then it will start the installing. So one more important thing that I want to tell you, if you don't want to download any compiler, so guys, you can also write your codes online, and I will show you that process also after downloading this compiler. So here the language, whatever language you want to select for your compiler, you can select it. Okay, here you can see there are a lot of languages, but I will prefer English, so I will click OK, and after that on the agree, and then click on the next, and after that you can like choose any location wherever you want to install it. Okay, but I will click on the install. So here it will take a little bit time. So as you can see, now installation is successful, and now click on the finish. Okay, now when you will click on the finish, now here you can see that one is the main window of our compiler. Okay, so you have successfully installed the compiler. Now after that, you can, if you want to create a new package here, like I mean a new source file here, not the package. So you will go on the file. Okay, then click on the new, and then come to this source file. After that one you will click here and you can start writing your code, but we will deal how to write a code in the next video. Okay, now let me show you how to write a code online. So let me close this one, and okay, so I will open a new here and new tab, and here we can write C++ online compiler. Okay, so when you will write here C++ online compiler, so here you can say a lot of compilers are available. So you can click on the first one here also, and here you can see actually the good thing about online compiler is that they have already created a body on which you can write your code. So here this one is the body, okay, and these are the libraries, this one include, and these are the libraries. They have also already implemented these things. So let me check also another compiler. So that one is also a good compiler. Okay, so here you can also write the codes. So here as you can see, this one is the syntax to print a statement. Okay, but we will deal about these things in the next tutorial. So let me run this one. So when I will click on the run, so here it is printing this hello world, and as you can see the result is here, a hello world. But I will tell you these things in the detail in the next video. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video with a new topic. So take care.